Okay, see. So maneuvering point is clear. This location is maneuvering point and it is larger than neutral point. So the point where rate of change of elevator deflection angle with respect to load factor will be 0 is known as maneuvering point. So here you should take a note and then I will explain something. I will change the page. See, take the note. Note is like fighter aircrafts are doing more maneuvering as compared to commercial aircrafts. So fighter. So maneuvering must be easy for fighters, right? Okay, so consider this entire as point 1. Then in point 2 you take when CG, I mean center of gravity, goes near to maneuvering point, stability decreases and if CG will cross maneuvering point, then maneuvering becomes easy and of course aircraft will be unstable.